Hi folks, this is In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda, and we're back for another low carb video. And Miss Linda's gonna make low carb chicken Parmesan, and we're gonna put it in the oven and cook it. So she's gonna take over and just show you how we prepare this. Go for it.
He's doing so well, I just thought I'd let him keep talking. Okay, today, hello everybody. A beautiful sunshiny day here and going to be almost 80 degrees, so we're happy about that. Today we're using chicken, it's actually chicken strips, filleted chicken strips. And we're going to coat them in egg, and then we're going to roll them in almond flour. And we're going to use a pasta sauce, and we also have Parmesan and Mozzarella cheese to coat it. So that's it. We're going to put it in a 350 degree oven for about, 30 to 45 minutes. And then we're going to see how they taste, and I know they'll be good. Okay, so let's start. We're going to take the chicken and just throw it in the egg. Can you see? Let me move it in here. And the egg stuff. I like that.
Egg wash.
Egg wash.
Everything is stuffed to my little dear Linda.
I know. And then we're going to put it in the, let me move it down here. We're going to put it in the almond flour and roll it around. And that's it. And then we're going to put it in the dish, which is here. We need to move stuff around, which is here. You see it? Can they see it? What do you think, Bert? Are we doing good or bad?
You're good. You're good.
Let me,
Just
hold on. Let me slide stuff around. Okay, there we go. We're going to fill up this whole thing with cheese, with chicken. Anyway, I didn't have a good night's sleep last night. I went to the doctor yesterday because my knee was out of joint again, and besides my knee being out of joint, so is my ankle. So everything got put back together. Anyway, a little achy last night, but all is well with that.
I think your eyes are weak. You'll do.
Bert thinks I need to go take a nap. Here, grab your fork. But anyway,
You get out of that.
tonight is another night. So,
Hey, I was going to watch your work today, but looks like I've been dragged into it already. See?
I don't think I'm going to do this. I'm not up to 100% snuff. How about that? A little draggy today. That's okay. At least I'm walking better than I was, so that's good.
Hey, she's doing pretty good for about 3 hours sleep, I guess.
Maybe. Oh no, don't put so much.
I'm okay, you got 2 right there. Okay. You got another one right here.
Okay. Anyway, debating on what to have with this. It's what type of veg. I like a vegetable when we have a meat or whatever.
No, let's be honest. She likes vegetables.
I do.
She's not a big meat person
No.
of any kind, but if there's one kind of meat that she does eat, it's going to be chicken. I keep telling her one day she's going to grow feathers.
My idea of a good meal is vegetables and some type of fruit, like an apple or something.
You need some almond flour. A little bit.
Maybe like a little bit. That to me is the perfect meal. But now I do like.
Is that enough?
I love chicken. Yeah, I love
Put a
chicken.
little
That's
bit more in
enough.
there.
Love chicken. So I eat a lot of chicken. Now we've got a restaurant here in town that serves, they do fish, But one of their menu items is barbecue. And that's some of the best barbecue you'll ever find. And the South is noted for barbecue. So we were over there the other day. Actually, it was our grandson's birthday. But tell me what you would do with these chicken strips. What kind of vegetables would you have with it? Or would you have any at all? Or how would you prepare these? Would you put barbecue sauce on them? Or a different type of flouring?
Okay, we're gonna probably, if I can talk her into it, maybe we'll have some string beans with this for lunch. See, I really like string beans, but I know somebody that really doesn't care for them very much.
In other words, he wants me to stay in the kitchen another hour cooking string beans.
But she doesn't have to.
I'll tell you what, I'll teach you how to do it. And I'll go take a nap.
You're right. Excuse me, folks.
So this is the last one. And so once we get this in the pan, we're going to cover it with pasta sauce. And then we're going to put the cheeses on top of it. And it's really good. Okay, let's see if we can find a spot. We'll put it right there. Okay. All right, Bert. Now let's put some Parmesan cheese on it.
Are you going to put the cheese before you put the pasta sauce? Or
No, we need to put the sauce first.
the sauce first?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do is just put a coating of pasta sauce around. Just use you don't have to just use your own judgment on how much pasta sauce you want to put on here.
Go ahead and pour it. And then you can spread it out with your spoon.
Well, I wasn't going to put that much on here.
Yeah.
I was trying to be
That's plenty.
conservative.
That's a time-saving tip. It smells the sauce. The sauce is
to spread the
smells
sauce
good.
around. We both like.
Yeah, put some down here. Here we go. Put some down here. Look, people.
Hey,
He needs some sauce right there.
guess what?
What?
Shush.
Hey, I may be tired and sleepy, but I still like see what you do.
All right, then we're gonna just take some Parmesan cheese and sprinkle it around. Now I'm sure this won't be the right amount either, right?
Looks good. It's low carb.
Okay, that was a Parmesan, and then I'm gonna follow up with some mozzarella. Or mozzarella, how do you say it? How do you say it?
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
If I come back as another person, I want to come back as an Italian because I love Italian food. And it actually is about time to make another crustless pizza.
Okay, and what
That's
you see
it.
right there is basically what you're gonna get. Then we're gonna take and put this in the oven and cook it for 30, 45 minutes and then check it. Be sure it's done. And you just have to judge your own oven as far as how long you cook it. But remember, you want this chicken pretty done.
Yeah, remember too, to test it, take a sharp knife, and if you can poke down through the chicken and the knife come out clean, it's done.
So,
Let's go cook.
Now we're going to go cook this. See you shortly. Hey guys, we're back. We've got the chicken is cooked. We got it plated up, almost ready to eat. And this is the low carb chicken Parmesan. And we got mozzarella in here too.
What kind of veggies you got?
And I've got string beans and some cauliflower, mashed cauliflower with it. And
that's what's left.
That's what it turned out. It is good. It browned up. We like ours browned on top a little bit like this. So anyways, it's almost time to eat, and hope you guys are doing good. Linda, you have anything you'd like to add? Wherever you're hiding?
No,
there she is.
No, we're going to have a nice lunch, then I'm heading out to the deck.
Okay, so I just hope you guys have a great day, and remember to subscribe, share, and like our channel. And remember, God loves you, and so do we. And hearts to everybody, and we'll see you soon. Okay? Bye.
Bye. Let's eat.